For some reason, when I was in preschool, I was playing with some dinosaur toys, and this bitch came up to me, kicked my dinosaur toys to the side, and said, "I like you. We're gonna play dolls now." Bitch, you just fucking kicked my Triceratops! I'm not playing dolls with you! So I'm like, no. And after I said that, her friend next to her looked at me and said, "Excuse me? She just said she has a crush on you and offered to take you on a date. You can't say no." And I didn't know what the fuck dating was in preschool. Back then, I'd much rather fuck a Triceratops than this bitch. And so I say no, I'm playing with my dino toys. And after I said that, this bitch looked at me like I just shot her mother, and then this girl had the audacity to pick up my Triceratops and snap it in half. And look, in preschool, you could do a lot of things to me, but you could not break my dino toy. And I was so mad, I did something I will never forget.